Every morning, before the first bell, Mr. Arjun mopped the school corridors, humming quietly to himself. To students and teachers, he was just the janitor. But no one knew the billions that gleamed behind his modest eyes. One evening, while cleaning a math classroom, Arjun noticed a half-solved equation left on the chalkboard. Something stirred within him. He picked up the chalk and finished it perfect. Night after night, he returned, solving advanced calculus problems, theoretical physics, puzzles, and algorithms, all from textbooks he found in the school's old library. One day, Arjun solved a complex problem left on a classroom window with a dry erase marker. A visiting professor noticed the solution the next morning and was stunned. The news of an anonymous genius spread like wildfire. Who could have cracked equations and even scholars struggle with? The school buzzed with speculation. One night, the headmistress, suspicious yet intrigued, waited after hours. She found Arjun at the book, deep in thought, solving problems with ease. When asked, Arjun quietly confessed. He had once dreamed of being a mathematician, but gave it up to support his family. He never lost his love for learning. University reached out. The world took notice. But Arjun asked only for one thing, that children who felt unseen be given the chance to dream. The school renamed its library in his honor. Mr. Arjun continued cleaning, teaching students after hours, not for recognition, but because he believed in planting seeds. Sometimes the brightest minds walk the quietest paths, and the greatest equations are the ones that change hearts. Moral of the story is true talent doesn't wear a title. Genius can come from anywhere, and the quietest people often have the loudest stories within them. Here 10 difficult words with their meanings to learn and improve English. Anonymous, not identified by name of unknown name or origin. Equations, mathematical statements that show two expressions are equal. Calculus, a branch of mathematics involving derivatives and integrals. Theoretical, based on abstract reasoning, not necessarily practical or prudent. Algorithms, step-by-step procedures for solving problems, especially by computers. Interview, curious or fascinated by something unusual or mysterious. Recognition, acknowledgement or appreciation of someone's work or abilities. Unseen, not noticed or acknowledged, hidden or ignored. Constellations, groups of stars forming recognizable patterns, often named after mice. Silhouette, the dark shape or outline of someone or something visible against a brighter background. For more such stories, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.